Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking today on Perfiqeats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today we're gonna make a very quick and easy, very juicy sauteed garlic asparagus. So we're gonna start by trimming the ends of the asparagus. We don't want to have the woody ends of it, and what I'm doing here is using a vegetable peeler and I'm removing the tough outer skin of the asparagus, which is usually towards the end. Alright, so to the pan, we're gonna add in some asparagus together with some olive oil. As you can see, I'm quite generous with the olive oil right there. And we're gonna add some black pepper, couple of tosses, and let's add in some onion and garlic powder together with salt. Last but not least, I'm adding a tablespoon or two of minced garlic to the mix. So we're just gonna allow the asparagus to sit in and soak in all of the flavors. It took me about 7 to 8 minutes to just allow it to be evenly cooked throughout, and just serve it along as a side. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more easy breezy recipes, and follow us on Instagram. Bye!